whole Foota, you need to lock up your blood clot mouth. With your dry cane foot, them pussy hole. You know, sister, you're rotten out from in beneath. In pussy hole, you're rotten out, boy. The dent them when your blood clot foot look like a whole Nissan pussy hole. Go park in 2003 Nissan dent up blood clot foot them, boy. And shut your thinking level blood clot mouth. You hear me I tell you so good? Lock your mouth. Because you see, you as a man, as a blood clot selector, you mean Jamaica not blood clot good? Every day you get up, boy, you have blood clot beat. Pussy na, you what? Na DJ, you have vlogger? Lock your stinking mouth. How much page them gonna delete for you, so good? Eh? So good. How much page?
Wagwan people, welcome back to Jamaican Chat. Big up everybody, big up. First of all, before I get into the video, people, I just got asking for forgiveness from now because you know Pretti Don stay. She very colorful with her language, so a lot of expletives she go. You know she express herself the Jamaican way. Not necessarily saying Jamaican express themselves with bad words and expletives, but you don't know how me attack people. It's a Jamaican chat, and we're gonna get another video here. So yo, Pretti Don, she pretty much she had this Chronixx, she had this Foota, and she actually had this Coffee Panda one here too. I'm not gonna necessarily diss them, but here I go, I feel what she has said. Because after the whole Grammy thing, Chronixx did come out and say something like the group will win the Grammy. By the way, everybody you know says a white group win the reggae category for Grammy one night, yeah. And I not feel good about that. Honestly, me want Jamaican, I'm not gonna say a Jamaicans alone for love reggae, but I mean we can't have a section where designed by Jamaican music, our culture, we create it, you understand? And you gotta have other Jamaicans who they in the same category, as in them day night, and you gotta put it on a white man over Jamaican. No. Call it racism if you want, me not care anything where you want. Say people racist pan we all the years of our life, so why we can't racist upon them too? I agree with her still, I'm not gonna lie. So Chronixx come out and say, not big up Chronixx, not you my boss, Chronixx, sorry people. So Chronixx did come out and say SOJA has been one of the best bands in America for years. Overall one of the top reggae bands in the world for years. So you shouldn't so you shouldn't have to be a fan to show respect. That's what he said. You have a point, but that point here really not make no sense. And me that expect somebody who is not a Jamaican fear say this. You can't be a Jamaican and I say this. But anyway, too much of my talking. I go jump back straight into the video with Pretti Don. She go on wicked people. May I beg you stay tuned. May I beg you like, share and subscribe that video here. And we're gonna come back and have a reason and make we have a conversation down in the comments part of the thing, please. Please make we get the comments part active, people. Make we get that channel here out on the YouTube platform. Thank you so much.
Chronixx when we started you. You say oh Chronixx? It's when you come out, nobody no rate you like how me rate you. Because you see the chat where you chat for the father, me realize say yo, that brother you have some bad tune. When it's whatever this I'm not hurting. When they want to be behind curtain. No one else say you see me I say, well you know, oh you say one buckler the brother you have mids, you know. You can see it say him a one real rasta. One, you see me? He pure hearted and you know you sing for the people. Chronixx me rate you. You understand me? I go beat you, you know. But Chronixx me rate you. You see me I say? Rate your music. Because as I did say about even popcorn, you know, Chronixx. No for not sing about one life or not opposite the blood clot person, you know. You see me I say? Because you Chronixx, you always a sing about white people oppression, this, that, ray, blase. We not gonna take it off a table like racism not still a go on. We not there Jamaica measure up against white people, but we there measure up against brown people. Because in a Jamaica when they are brown have Tommy chin then color and you know all of them look a high color woman, they a high color boy, they like a Sean Paul them and so. Wanna treat them different from the black one, them want to go bleach. You see me I say? So racism they everywhere, Chronixx. You understand me? And when you did boss, brother, me swear things say you did not come know say yo, you're with us. But you prove to be just like them white people here just before you even can talk about big up SOJA. Before you say big up SOJA, you been a sellout. Like you are a white man, you bumbuckled self, Chronixx. Me I tell you that. You, Chronixx, look like say you're a white man. You more like to deal with what white man them a deal with. Even though you come out in your music at first and tell us say you rather to deal with all the black people and love and this and red. But as white people tell you if a blood clot jump, your King Poopa lick and jump and sprawl out like we are play a blood clot dandy shandy. Regular we see you do it, Chronixx. Remember, I alone as an artist have a jet down a yard there. Cause you live just like the white man, the same white oppression where you talk about every day in your music. Dreaming of you all afternoon because making money is always on my mind. Remember, you did a tell we of you in your music, but we did a pre the positivity. Because you as a black man, when you know say racism still a strong blood clot economic problem we have in a society. You can always jump up on a bandwagon for a white man. Me not give a fuck who no want say about blood clot. Reggae music did make global. Them did make R&B global too. And then I give you the same blood clot privilege for you take you up on a blood clot sing and a win a nomination or an award. Then did make rap global too. And what? You think if none of we get up on blood clot rap right now, them a look pan bumbo clot we? Them not say we. We can rap till we blood clot drop. It no matter what, no matter if them take for we sit them and turn them in a rap, they still now blood clot look pan we. So you see if reggae music global and white man fear get highlighted about the picky and Chronixx. You say blood clot global because this is uno as a black bumbo clot slave. Uno watch the white boy them can name out everything. True now get little food for name to all slave. You all slave. One time you think then they go Africa too. And go gallivant with you know, and then beat and take on a blood clot and slave you know. I see him say then they come and go like say all is well and put on in a blood clot shackles. Remember, I saw them come and do it all the while, Chronixx. And that them do all the while and I help them. Me can't support no white boy I take over no black blood clot own anything. Black people own reggae. White people don't make it easy for nothing for we. Them boy you don't make it easy for fucking we. But on the easy for lie down and make them boy feel special all the blood clot while when we never special yet, Chronixx. You ever want blood clot about special? You think them look for we as not special? And money them a make. After what we create, what black people create, because of years and trillions of centuries now them white boy have been a do this. No, me not glad to see no white boy take up nothing what black people do and make it great. Me not feel no good about that youth. Because this year is a trend. Everything what black people have, you see white boy come over here like so them can make it better. So through them blood clot take it up. Chronixx a rubbish shatter. One of artists in our business that sing clean music. Don't beat reggae, beat the selector and radio station them. A whole heap of clean music there in a dancehall and reggae. Before even this year go on now, Chronixx. Don't go on like he's a fucking picky head idiot. Don't go on like an idiot. Whole heap of clean blood clot music. Whole heap of clean album we don't get highlighted because of our radio station and our disc jockey them. So don't come with that. But people appreciate good music. Dog, suck your mama with that. Whole heap of Jamaican that Jamaica I sing positivity and I drop good album. I wanna now highlight them dirty Chronixx. You Chronixx would have never said you out there as a man. Why you not go collaborate with some of them man there as a giant in our business? Whole heap of look at youth out there. Youngster, Nation Boss, Black Hero, all of them look at youth they sing positive music in a dance hall. All of them are sing positive music. Only part of youth are sing positive and clean music. But you're ready if you got blood clot jump up and down with white boy. Because you're white like them Chronixx. You see me? As soon as you see white boy come near out any little thing, you no help them near me thought. I no help make them slave with. Remember that. Remember that black people help white people put black people in a slave. Just like how your blood clot help them now Chronixx. You never want to make you vice earth for some white boy. But you no want to vice them earth for some youth like Black Hero them. Man like them look at youth they want to make good music. You don't want to give them the year vice. But you're ready if you go give soda them. So look a man what we don't know from nowhere. Through the white and blood clot locks. Chronixx is a disappointment to blood clot we as a black race. Fuck this Grammy thing now, youth. Because you don't ever help the white boy them to name out people culture. And come be a vulture and take over and be the best at it. When indeed they are not. You know how much blood clot album in a dancehall sound better than the one we win Grammy? But what? You don't now go highlight them the pussy hole Chronixx. No, look at you out here sing positive music. You know highlight them bumble idiot boy. But you're ready to go highlight them white boy because you want to go cock up on stage with millions of white people. Like when you can't sing for black people too. Black people have money too. We have money to spend too. When we can full out arenas too. One amount of black people can buy ticket and go in a blood clot arenas, bad man. Who the lean for white people for every blood clotting Chronixx. When you come out in the blood clot music and I tell we say, we as a black race for rise. Remember them burn down Black Wall Street. When we did have we own a bank, them we own a school, them we own a heavy blood clotting. And them burn it down. You see them one sing about it, but you help them now to come burn down people culture. Help them to come thief out people culture. Me no blood clot for no white man I use no black created fucking entity. Doing nothing. Our one that what is yours is yours. You no love jump up and down with white boy too much. Like when a blood clot frighten for color. You see me? When a frighten for color Chronixx. So you can fly up and down in a little private plane and go link your white boy them. You glad? As a little black man listen to you. Pussy will listen to you. You're one of them slaves who did help sell out the blood clot colony. And make we in a blood clot shackles. You make we pick cotton. And you make we chop cane. And you make the whole black woman and get fuck off and get brown picnic. You! Slave like you, pussy hole. You is a wicked blood clot rasta. Trim. Trim. You don't know where you stand for, pussy hole. You don't know what to stand for. Because if you are going to come talk about congratulate them white boy, one band full of white boy because of reggae music. How much things them create and we can't use it freely? How much things them use? Wally! I will not get the privilege for blood clot use it, but you want to chat off your bumbo clot mouth. Eh? Well, it's free to use it. We created it and they're highlighting it. Enough things them create and we can't highlight it. But we make it free for them to highlight everything. And we glad for them. You want all a collaboration right now, dirty Chronixx, we can see that. You're disgrace. Before you go look at collab with Black Hero them, Youngster them, and Nation Boss them, you ready to go collaborate and chat up with them, the boy there. Eh? What a disgrace you be. As a dirty blood clot rasta. You're wicked. Pussy, you preach one thing in your music and then, oh, you're living a life different, youth. But you don't believe in a racism. Racism, they everywhere, youth, all in a clothes. You talk about music. Racism beat you every day, Chronixx. How much time you lose the Grammy? And you're one of the biggest things that we have in our island. You lose the Grammy every time you get called for it. You're perform a Grammy. And you're the biggest thing. You perform a Pakistan, Netherlands, every land, all blood clot Iceland. Your blood clot there. And what? Them don't give. But then use your door, have you as a little blood clot stage monkey, for run up and down and sing your blood clot song them. Do, and you still not get no blood clot award. And you still not get none. And then you are going to talk about say, yo, we create reggae music for everybody. We never create it for everybody. We create it for we, for ourselves. For we for use. And our own. Them white boy have enough things that we can't use. We need copyright fee. Remember that. You think so we never get blood clot nominated for your R&B album yet, rap album yet, none of that. You are the worst thing. Nobody contact. And you know Foota. Before you talk about the real blood clot reason why you hate from the woman with you like a dead wood. Pussy hole. Every minute you whine at the blood clot media look relevant in a dirty girl. A dirty girl. Every minute you in your blood clot feelings in a big hole, bitch. You ever in your blood clot feelings look a so good girl. Ever want to measure up your mouth with girl pitney? Think cool. You need to lock up your blood clot cesspool where you have for your face. Nasty whole Foota. Thinking whole Foota, you need to lock up your blood clot mouth. With your dry cane foot them pussy hole. You know say you're rotten out from beneath. In pussy hole, you're rotten out boy. The dent them when your blood clot foot look like one old Nissan pussy hole. Go park in 2003 Nissan dent up blood clot foot them boy. And shut your thinking level blood clot mouth. You hear what me I tell you so good? Lock your mouth. Because you see you as a man, as a blood clot selector, you mean Jamaica no blood clot good? Every day you get up boy, you have blood clot beat. Pussy na yawa. Na DJ, you have vlogger. Lock your stinking mouth. How much page them gonna delete for you so good? Eh? So good. How much page?
Yeah, my people, as you can see, Pretti Don, she go on really bad. She go on really bad. She take it to them. You understand? And you don't know, big up Foota, big up Chronixx, big up Coffee. I have enough respect, I have enough ratings for a product of Jamaica, and I do it on an international scale. So no disrespect, but you don't know this is a Jamaican chat, so we have to talk how we feel. Alright people, so please drop some likes, drop some shares, beg on our subscribe, and please make us have a conversation down in the chat comments and hear how everybody feel about this thing. Big up.